Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for subscribing, liking, sharing and commenting. If you haven't subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button and the notification bell and join the family. One of our favorite couples, Moshe Ndiki and Phelo Bala, are engaged. Congratulations to the happy couples. Moshe shared an exciting news on the social media with the snaps of a diamond band on his finger. So, Phelo planned the surprise picnic on the hills and he proposed, and Moshe said, "Yes, I will marry you." On this day, the couple scored a triple feat at the Feathers Awards nomination when Moshe was announced as a host, and they were also nominated for the cutest couple, and lastly their moms nominated in the Best Rainbow Parenting Awards, a new category for supporting their kids. Congratulations to the couples, and please leave your comment below and share your thoughts. Till we meet again, I love you so much guys. Bye. What?
Besa tinga uzopela Otano lwetu Lubenza beno mona Shala tiketa wena Ongenyi mini Sodani suluchaba Besa tinga uzopela Otano lwetu Lubenza beno mona Shala tiketa wena